and welcome to cheekyricho Cooking's bread and butter pudding cooked in the Tefal Cook4Me. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. There's only a half a dozen of them. It's cheap, fast and very satisfying. We're going to the dessert function on the Tefal Cook4Me. This is a guided recipe and we press OK. Bread and butter pudding comes up. You can actually scroll down to different recipes, but this is the one that we're after today. OK. You can scroll between 2, 4 or 6 people. I'm going to do it for 4. Press OK. 15 minutes of preparation, 30 minutes of cooking. OK. It lists all of the ingredients there, so I don't have to type them for you today. Sliced and quartered raisin toast, 4 slices, buttered with 40 grams of softened butter, 150 mils of sweetened condensed milk, which is just under half a can, 2 eggs, 250 mils of thickened cream, and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I'll be using vanilla extract, and I'll be using a bit more than that because I actually like it much better. So the first thing that we've got is our steamer basket popped in there. Just sits in there. We've attached the little feet on the bottom of it. You have to add just 300 grams of water. And our little ramekins, which are just there, are going to be sitting in that and steaming away. Now, we have already taken the liberty of buttering our raisin toast, which has got lots of lovely sultanas and spice in it. We've got our thickened cream, our condensed milk, and our 2 eggs. To a mixing bowl, we just add our eggs, our vanilla extract, our thickened cream, and our sweetened condensed milk, and just mix that all around. Okay, now we're just going to whiz that all around until it is well combined. It's really quite a thick mixture, and we're going to pour it over our little cubes of buttered raisin toast that are being placed in our 8cm ramekins. Now, I think that they're going to be a bit big. Last time I made this, I made it in a single ramekin, and this is an individual portion, so we're trying something a little different today. It's pretty quick and easy. Now it says to cut our little slices of raisin toast into quarters and butter them, which I've done, and then put them into the ramekins. There's no way in the world that is going to fit all of that in the ramekin with some filling, so I'm going to be making extras for this, so it's actually a bit more economical than it looks. So I'm just going to cut these into quarters again, and they will fit in a bit better. So just bundle them in like so, butter side up, and do that with the rest. That ramekin is slightly bigger, so it could probably take another little quarter. We want that filling to mix all through it. I've got another 2 here. I'm going to have to use the 2 because it's just so much mixture, and I don't know if my bread's a bit thicker than what the recipe states or what, but it just fits in there. So these keep in the fridge, and they actually, if you take them out of the containers, you can take them in kids' lunchboxes to school too, so we'll just divvy that up a little bit. There we are. We're just going to pour our mixture into our ramekins. Now I might try to ricochet off a little bit, try and get it fairly even. It will soak in, so don't worry too much about that. We can come back and top it up once we think we've got enough out there, or you could do it with a little measuring cup if you like, but I'm just going to eyeball it. No added sugar here because the sweetened condensed milk is really quite sweet. A bit of a run over, and just make sure everybody's got a little bit of that mixture all over everything. Do we want to start the recipe? Yes, we do. We put the ramekins into the steaming basket now with the 300 mils of water in the bowl you saw me pour in. Okay, we want to start the cooking. Yes, we do. We've got to close and bolt the lid. All right, we're just going to load these in now. Close and bolt the lid. Start the recipe. Do you want to start cooking? Yes. It's preheating. Now I have no idea how long this took to cook because I actually went out and it's kept warm for me for over an hour. Let's have a look, shall we? Beautifully cooked, lovely and warm. Make it at lunchtime and have it for tea if you like. Just going to take them out. It's very hot, so just be very careful. And even the bottom ones are delightful. It's a great way of using up any leftover raisin toast that you may have. I mean, who's ever going to have that anyway? But on the off chance, the very, very remotest off chance you've got some leftover raisin toast, this is a perfect way to use it up. Thanks for watching. Okay, just a little sprinkle of some icing sugar on the top to serve it. We're serving it with some fresh strawberry and dollar cream fresh. Yeah. And there you have it. A luscious, delicious, very easy to make bread and butter pudding cooked in the Tefal Cook4Me. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of cheekyricho Cooking's bread and butter pudding cooked in the Tefal Cook4Me. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our cheekyricho channel, and don't forget to please subscribe. Do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of video. Thanks for watching. We're just going to have a little taste of this. Soft, warm, moist, really quite luscious, tastes amazing. The kids are going to love this one too. Thanks for watching.